Hey guys, another week, another game dev vlog, and this week has been fairly productive. I started off by working on stuff to do with the Everybody That's Universe backend control panel. That's very early in the process. I did decide that I'm probably going the route of using the Razor, MVC, .NET Core kind of stuff. There is still a lot I need to learn about it, but it does feel like the right direction to go. And I have integrated with an external authentication system for a user system on that. We want to make sure that's as secure as possible. We definitely don't want the kind of hacking that's been going on in Everybody Edits recently to be possible on this new server. And speaking of the hacking going on in Everybody Edits, thankfully that's kind of settled down. Player.io did get back to Chris and they got all that stuff sorted out. There's still some lingering effects going on, but for the most part I'm not going to get involved with that. Now, after getting that done on Everybody That's Universe, I did a little work on Finn's Fantastic Food Machine. I finished up just about all the programming that I need to do on the game, but there's just a little bit of work left to do on the beginning cutscene system. Other than that, it's just a matter of tweaking the menus and, well, that's it. Then we can finally work on actually releasing the game. So after working on that, I went back to work on Everybody That's Universe and finally added the systems to be able to support running multiple rooms at once. It's kind of a core feature of the game, and it's pretty much all there. There's a little code that's still needed on the client side especially, but overall the system works. Basically, the idea behind it is that everyone is always in what's referred to as the hub, and then they can be in individual rooms as well. So that hub is where things like the friends system or the shop and such work, so that when you're in a world, technically we can make it where it can communicate with the shop. You could get notifications about your friends list and all that. So there's a lot we can do with that kind of structure. So we should be able to do some interesting things with how the worlds work, with how the lobby can communicate with different worlds. So yeah, there's all sorts of possibilities. On Saturday, yesterday, we had the Everybody That's monthly magic meeting with the patrons and the magic tier and up, but not all that many people actually showed up, so it kind of turned into more of an informal staff meeting to some degree. Anyway, that is basically it for this week. Overall, haven't made a lot more progress outside of that. I mean, as I said, it's decent progress, but I do want to get working a bit faster as I go. I do feel like I've gotten a little bit more momentum than I had at the beginning of the week, especially implementing the room system into Everybody That's Universe. But yeah, this next week I definitely want to make a lot more progress. But anyway, that is going to have to be it for today. So as always, I want to thank my contributors over on Patreon. It is a massive help. And if you want to check out my Patreon page for yourself, the link is down in the description below. And of course, I want to thank the Everybody Edits patrons as well. So yeah, I'll see you around. Goodbye.